Hi, I'm Brian Mahon, founder of Igloo Insurance, where we offer transparent risk advice to business owners and families. Today, we're talking about everything you need to know about surety bonds, whether you're a contractor or a business owner bidding out on public work or need a license bond. This video is for you. So what are the major exposures around surety bonds? They aren't necessarily insurance in the traditional sense, but they're a three-party agreement that guarantees performance or compliance. Here's where the risks lie. So a failure to perform a contract, right? So if you don't complete a job, bond ensures that the client is compensated and go hire someone else to actually complete the job. Failure to follow regulations, right? License and permit bonds protect the public and regulators. Financial loss to a third party, right? The bondholder, you in this circumstance, is financially responsible if the bond is triggered. What are the types of surety bonds that most commonly are asked for from government entities and contract bonds, right? Bid bonds, performance bonds, payment bonds, essential for construction and public works. License and permit bonds required by many states and municipalities for contractors, even auto dealers and other regulated industries, right? The Department of Transportation requires a small bond of anyone who sells vehicles in Pennsylvania. A third one is court bonds, right? It's used in legal proceedings like appeal bonds or guardianship bonds. There's also Fidelity Bonds, which protect against employee dishonesty or theft, really crime, often required in financial services and businesses with large 401ks. Also just general commercial bonds, which is kind of a broad category that can include anything from utility bonds to customs bonds. So here at Igloo Insurance, we actually partner with Propeller, which is a digital surety platform that makes the bonding process fast, easy, and paperless. So you can apply online in minutes, get instant quotes, download your bond immediately. So there's no more waiting for, days for underwriting or chasing down signatures. So if you are interested in securing a bond for your business, reach out to us here. Before you go, we did want to share the top carriers we trust the most and kind of common mistakes that business owners make around bonding is really waiting until the last minute. They're often required before work can begin or license are issued. So you definitely want to be proactive if you think you need bonding. Not understanding an indemnity agreement, right? You're personally backing the bond. So it's a little bit different than traditional insurance. You have to be mindful of that, almost, putting up collateral. Assuming all bonds are the same, they all have different terms, limits, and obligations. So just be mindful of exactly what you need and not working with a specialist, right? A generalist may not understand the nuances of bonding requirements. So definitely work with someone who understands bonding. Some of the top carriers we've seen in the bonding world is the Hartford, which is a national leader in contract and commercial bonding. A CNA Surety, known for their strength in construction and court bonds. You might see a Philadelphia or a Travelers Insurance and other, strong players in the bonding space. Of course, Propeller, which kind of can negotiate multiple carriers for fast digital bonding solutions. So if you need a surety bond, don't stress. We'll make the process simple, fast, and transparent. At Igloo Insurance, we'll help you get bonded with confidence, whether that's for a license, a contract, or a court requirement. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe in the video below. Thanks so much.